This is the Avaya 9640G IP phone. The 9640G features gigabit Ethernet for increased work performance and many advanced applications to increase productivity. It is the ideal phone for users who rely on real-time voice communication. It features 24 administrative buttons, a color display, speakerphone, and headset support. Included with the Avaya 9640G is the handset cord, Ethernet cord, and unit stand. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.